Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today we are going to go into how to know how to distribute or share your stitches in in a way that you will decrease and you will get the normal needle you want the reduction to be. What I'm saying is, when you want to knit, for instance, when you want to knit a puff sleeve and you have a certain needle to be at the wrist, and the needles are so many that you don't know how to distribute or share or reduce them to that certain needle that you need for the wrist, or for the sleeve band. So today I want to share the mathematics on how to be able to reduce your stitches in such situation. So right now, guys, there is a way of doing it simply. Like, if the stitches are even number and you are dividing them into two, for instance, you have 50 by 50 needle and you want the wrist stitches to be 25 by 25 needle. So in that situation, is so simple. From 50 to 25 by 25 is to make sure that you decrease or you reduce your stitches by fixing two stitches in one needle. So by doing that, you will resort to 25 by 25 needle. So what I mean is, you are sharing 50 into two. So by then, if your stitches is 50 by 50 and you want to reduce them to 25 by 25, is by dividing them into two, in which one needle will take two stitches and it will go evenly. You don't need to calculate on that. But there are some ways that you have 53 by 53 or 67 by 67 and you want to reduce it to 23 by 23 needle. So you find a way of sharing it and it's become bothersome, like, how am I going to do this? So I want to give you a clue on how to do that today. So right now, guys, I've knitted and cast on 53 by 53 needle. So I'm going to remove my camera now and let's view this together on my machine bed so that we can see it clearly. So guys, this is 53 by 53 needles. You can see what we have here: 53 by 53 needle. So let's say I want to reduce this to 30 by 30 needle. So this is 30 needle and by 30 by 30 needle. So you can see what we have here, guys. That's 30 needles, 30 needle by 30 needle. So let's say I want to share this. So the first thing to know is where your needle wants to stop. You have to know that first. In your mind, I'm stopping at so needle. Then after knowing that, then you have to count how many needle you want to do away with. And I'm going to count from here. I'm going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. So it's not even at all. That's 23 needles I want to do away with at both side. Having another 23 here at both side. So I was saying, if it is even sharing, it will be like maybe this 30 to 60. So I know that it's divided by 2. I'm going to have 2 stitches on this. So that one is so simple. But this is, you need to calculate and check how you are going to do this. So I know that I have 23 stitches to reduce by left and right. So the simple way to do it, guys, is to now go to center 0. So I want to let you see center 0 here. Sorry, I'm holding my camera on my hand. This is center 0 here. That's it. So I'm going to make sure I share this 23, this part of 23 with this 30 needles I'm having here. So guys, what I need to do to share this into this, so I'm going to calculate, and like I'm going to do like, let two needle be out, this center zero needle and this, then I push another two needle, leaving one, two, 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 then two, 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 then two. So you can see what we have here. So I push them out right away. Then these needles outside, I'm going to count them. If there are 23 needles to cover this, then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that is 21 needles are outside. These 21 needles, they are going to take these 21 stitches here, but it's remaining 2 stitches. So this needle outside supposed to be 23 needles, 23 needles, but I'm still having 21 here. So let's say, let me push this out. That is having 5 here. Then let me push this out. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So these needles outside, they are going to take double stitches. So that's how to shear these stitches onto this needle. So this needle outside, they are going to take 2 stitches. So you just mark them and say, okay, from center zero, I'm going to fix double stitches on 5 needle first. Then I start to jump one and fix on 2 needles, jump the next one and fix on 2 needle. That is double stitches on 2 needle next. Then single here, double stitches on the next one. Then you will count how many double stitches, that is the 2 needles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you say after 5 needles taking double stitches, I have to be omitting one and do the next 2 needles, then omit one for 6 times before coming back here and start to fix on 6 needle double stitches. Then you will repeat that to this. Then that is, you have to push. Now the next stage, you have to push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outside. Just mirror what you have here outside for double stitches. Then you leave single one and do this for 6 times, I mean. So you can see that I've already have it in my head. So 6 times. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There I will omit one, and this is out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see what we have, how to reduce this needle. So by doing that, 23 stitches, that is, this 23 and 23 stitches will be distributed here evenly, and you will be, seeing it so easy. So if it is me, I will just say, okay, 6 here taking the starting, 6 here taking double stitches, then after leave single stitches, then do 6 double stitches on 2 needles, then come here and do 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. Then just like that. So guys, after sharing this, So you would like to go into the action, to share your stitches. So what you need to do is to have them in mind and knit maybe 4 or 5 rows with waist yarn, and you are going to drop this and share them. So let's see how this is being done. I'm knitting with waist yarn right now. Then I'm going to drop the work. So then you go back to your sharing formula, then 30 by 30, going back to 30 by 30 right now, then 30 by 30. That's it. So in my sharing, 6 is going to be here. That's the starting 6. Then 1 go back, 2. This 2 is going to be in 6. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then I'm going to have 1 at the back, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then 1 at the back, this 10 at the center, then 2, 1 at the back. That 2 is going to be 6 in 6 places. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then have this right here. So 6 at the back. So you can see how we have it when I distributed them. 6 here, 6 here, then 10 at the center, then 2 2. So that's how it's supposed to be. The one that will take single stitches are going to be at the back. So I'm going to knit on it, knit empty carriage on it to straighten my sharing. That's it. Then I'm going to start to fix. So this one at the B position are going to take double stitches. So let's go and see. Double stitches here. Then the next one is single stitches at the back, bringing it in. Then double, double. Then the next one, single. Then the next one, double. Come on. You can see what we have, guys. You can see double stitches here, single, double, single, double, single, just like that. And you can see 30 by 30 needle, no stitches remaining. So this is the method to shear. Then you lose your waist yarn out of the work. So you can see you lose it out of the work. So that's it. Then you have 30 by 30. Check if any stitches drop during the losing period. Then that's it.